Look at that. Look at the beautiful colors. I love, love, love it. To make this recipe, the first thing that you're going to need is red lentils. And these are red lentils pasta. A can of garbanzo beans. And these garbanzo beans were already washed and drained. 1 cup of frozen organic corn. If you do get corn, please make sure that it's organic. Half of a red chopped onions. And here I have some mixed greens, and I also have some cherry tomatoes. I'm not even going to cut them up. I'm just going to throw them in, and they're just going to burst with flavor inside of the pot. I'm also going to be using 2 cups of mushrooms. Here I have my spices. I'm going to leave in the description box exactly what I use to spice up my lentil pasta. So don't worry about that. After you finish watching the video, go to the description box and check it out. While you're at it, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell for notifications. I'm also going to be using my vegetable base here. I love this. This is made with garden carrots, celery, onions, and tomatoes. Yes, and it has 50%, actually 53% less sodium than your regular organic vegetable blend. So this is great. Got it in Costco. So check it out. To make your lentils, you have a pot of boiling water. And to the boiling water, I added some salt. And now I'm going to add my lentils. This is going to cook for 5 to 6 minutes, and then I'll be right back. And this is per the cooking instructions. So guys, this is my lentil pasta, and it's cooked. So I'm going to preserve some of this liquid to use it to cook. I drained everything, and in the same exact pot, I'm going to add a little bit of the liquid from the pasta. All right. To that, I'm going to add my vegetable base. And you're just going to do this until everything is well blended. And then to that, you go ahead and add your onions, mushrooms, throw your spinach and your tomatoes in there. And it looks like a lot, but all this stuff is going to shrink down to absolutely nothing. So we're just going to let this cook down, and then we're going to add our spices later. So I'm going to let this cook down, and then I'm going to go ahead and add my spices to this. So we'll be right back. And as you may see, it's starting to cook down just a little bit. And like I said, this is what I eat for dinner today. And it's also a weight loss recipe. So if I'm trying to maintain a healthy weight or lose a little bit of weight, or if I go through a cleanse, then this is perfect for me. When I do my cleanse, like this would be one of the meals that I would use. If you love healthy meals, go ahead and give this video what? Big thumbs up. If you love tomatoes, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up as well. Now I'm going to add my garbanzo beans, also known as chickpeas. Stir everything around. Don't forget, we didn't put the spices in yet. I'm just going to let everything cook. Once I put the lentil pasta in, then I'm gonna go ahead and add my spices. I'm adding a little bit of sriracha. This is optional. I just like a little bit of spice in it, so I'm just gonna do like a few drops because I can't really go too spicy. So just a few drops. So the next thing I'm gonna do is add my lentils. So I added my pasta. Starting to look really good already. And this is the look that we're going for. And once again, this is a perfect recipe to help maintain a healthy weight. I'm going to add a little bit of tomato sauce. And it's about 3/4 cups of tomato sauce. Don't worry, the recipe is going to be in the description box. So I don't want you guys to worry about that. Everything is going to be in the description box for you, okay? So don't worry about the recipe. Doesn't it look so good? Oh my god, if you love healthy recipes, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Don't want to forget my corn. And now also, this is a great meal prep meal. So this is everything. Packed full of protein, weight loss recipe. You can meal prep with this. And it's what I had for dinner. OMG. Smells really good already, and I haven't put any spices in it as yet. Now I will add my spices. My herbs and spices inside. And don't forget, in the description box, I'm going to show you everything that I added to this. So this, I'm just going to leave it for like 2 minutes, and then it's done. Simple, easy meal. And it's healthy. No excuses, guys. No excuses. I don't want to hear it. Alright guys, so this is what your delicious lentil weight loss meal, what I ate today, dinner, looks like. Absolutely delicious, yummy, healthy, easy to make. You will not be disappointed, and you will be full. So once you have that, you can add a little bit of nooch to it. Yeah, and when I say nooch, I mean nutritional yeast. And then I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of parsley, dried parsley on top. That's it, guys. That's all I have for Maxinescorner today. If you love this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to check out some of the other videos I have in the description box. And follow me on social media for more healthy tips. If you have a question for me, leave it down below. And what? Stay healthy.